Welcome to this video on getting your gutters ready for spring. We'll explore why a basic cleaning is not enough after a harsh New Hampshire winter. Winter is extremely hard on gutters. Snow and ice form heavy, solid blocks, creating immense downward weight and expansive force. This strains brackets and can damage the fascia and soffit. There is also hidden damage. The constant freezing and thawing of water acts like a wedge, slowly pushing the gutter away from your house and pulling the screws out of the wood. When heavy spring showers arrive, a sagging or separated gutter completely misses the trough. Instead of flowing away, water pours down your walls and pools against your basement. A basic cleaning, removing just leaves and dirt, is only 30% of the job. It leaves behind 70% of hidden winter damage, including loose screws, flat slopes, cracked seams, and rotted wood. A gutter tune-up fixes the structure, not just the surface. Unlike basic cleaning, a tune-up includes securing loose parts, fixing the slope, sealing leaks, checking downspouts, looking for rotted wood, and checking for upgrades. A gutter tune-up consists of 7 essential steps working together to protect your home. These steps ensure your gutter system is structurally sound for the rainy season. Step 1 is securing loose parts. We put the screws back and add extra strength so the gutter is held tight against the house, counteracting the effects of winter ice. Step 2 is fixing the slope. Gutters need a slight tilt to drain, but ice can make them flat. We restore the proper tilt so water flows freely and efficiently. Step 3 is sealing leaks. Expanding ice cracks the seams. We seal them up tight so water doesn't drip on your steps or walkways, ensuring a smooth flow to the downspout. Step 4 is checking downspouts. We ensure the pipes can handle heavy spring downpours and move the water far away from your foundation, preventing basement issues. Step 5 is cleaning out debris. Yes, this includes removing the leaves, pine needles, and leftover winter muck, ensuring clear pathways for water. Step 6 is looking for rotted wood. We check the wood directly behind the gutter to make sure trapped winter water didn't ruin it, catching structural problems early. Step 7 is checking for upgrades. We let you know if your home needs bigger gutters or leaf guards to handle future New Hampshire winters effectively. A tuned-up gutter provides peace of mind for spring. You won't have to worry when the heavy rain starts because your system is prepared to protect your home. Make sure your home is ready for the rain. Contact New England Gutter Systems today to book your spring tune-up using the phone number or email provided.